This video, I'll give you some information on how to work on homework 8. Basically, you're going to need to create some custom fields, which you can create in the EQS or RV screen. Since you're going to be using EQS, I would suggest doing it there. And then you're going to do a screen based on those custom fields. So, moving this out of the way, if you type in EQS, which is called the Equity Screening Tool, there's a universe of 995,000 companies that you can screen across an unlimited amount of criteria, basically. So, first of all, we're going to add some criteria. And in this case, if I want to add a custom field, I could just click on Formula. And these are some custom fields that I have previously created. And essentially, this is the field to create it. So, essentially, if I wanted to do a no plat, which is the first item here. So, I would say, and the easiest way to do it is to look it up here in the field. So my operating income or loss. All right, choose that. And then make sure you get the right period. It says in the homework assignment you want to do it in the latest fiscal year. So that would be the latest year. And when you hit enter, it'll put the field in here. Now, order of operations are important. So again, if you follow the framework in there, I put a little parentheses around that and multiply that by left paren 1 minus left paren, and then we want the effective tax rate. And again, as of the latest year. Now that is going to be a number, so we want it to turn it into a decimal place. So we're going to divide that by 100, and right paren. And then once we're done with this, we can save and use it. When you save it, it'll ask you to put in a name, so no plat homework 8, and it'll be in your fields. Now, if I wanted to save and use it, once again, homework 8. There it goes. I could actually use it as a screening criteria. So I could say, for example, companies with a no plat greater than, and put an amount, then hit enter. Then basically, it'll show me the companies that have no plats greater than this number over here. There's 29,000 in the database. So again, we can add more criteria. So for example, if I wanted to do that with companies that are in the S&P 500, SPX, S&P 500 index, and here's the important thing. As I keep adding criteria, this is an and. So therefore, companies that have this level of no plat and are in the S&P 500, we're down to 364. So again, you're going to be creating other custom fields, but for example, ROIC. Now you're going to use operating ROIC, and if I said greater than, and I'll just do 30% here, then this would be companies in the S&P with income greater than this amount after tax no plat that have greater than 30% operating ROIC. That would be those 60 companies. If I clicked on show results down here, then I would see the results. So what you need to do is you need to create those custom fields that are in the assignment, then do the screen that's in the assignment, click on see results, take a screenshot of the results. There should be 6 companies. And that basically is what you'll submit for homework 8. You'll also use these custom screen files, particularly operating ROIC, to help you in the valuations, because you'll notice in the last homework assignment, you had to do a whole valuation to do an operating ROIC. Here, we're actually going to calculate the operating ROIC using Bloomberg. This is not the Bloomberg ROIC. It's our version of operating ROIC, so we do need to create that as a custom field. This is the homework assignment. It is due Monday, 10 a.m. for all sections.